This is a quick video on how to set the time in the rain dial controller. Now the reason you may have to set the time is most often daylight savings time changes, and that's just an hour one way or another. And a way to reset that, let's say it was spring and it was time to spring forward from 6:03 to 7:03, use the set program switch set in its center position. Now the controller is ready to be programmed. Then just hold down the up button. If you overshoot, not a problem. 7:03, and then it's very important to set the switch back to the run position. And then if it's time to fall back, you set that again to set programs and just take it down, in this case to 6:03. And then back to run. Very important to set it back to run.